Are you curious to know how to increase your laptop battery life? Do you want your system to work better for you? The nature of most jobs these days requires the use of a laptop. As a result, many people now own laptops for work and personal purposes. Laptops are used for hours every day. In this case, special care should be taken regarding the setting of the battery in it. Laptop battery lifespan depends on various factors, including usage, charging, and storage. Make sure to charge your laptop batteries properly and power them off when not in use. Additionally, remove unneeded programs from your computer before shutting it down. And lastly, don't leave your battery charging overnight. This will only damage it. If you pay attention to a few things, it can help to make the laptop battery last longer. Check the screen brightness. Just in case you are unaware, a device's display is one of the major components that consume a significant chunk of battery. So if your laptop battery is draining too fast, it is always a good idea to keep check of your screen brightness. If you need to have the laptop set at the highest brightness levels, then you can skip this step. If, however, you have now noticed that you are well off with a slightly lesser level of brightness, if it results in improved battery life, here's what you need to do. Go to Settings System Display. Adjust the screen brightness to the level that you deem fit. Keep the brightness as low as possible. Laptop battery. Reduce the number of network connections. Having a lot of network connections connected to your laptop might sometimes cause excess battery drain. If your laptop's battery is draining too fast, chances are that your network connections could be the culprit behind it. To fix this issue, you need to perform the following steps. Go to Settings Network Connections. Check the currently active connections by clicking Control Panel Network and Internet Network Connections. Right-click on the network that you don't really need and forget it. Disable network connections, turn off keyboard. Backlit keyboard. Until and unless you really need it, turning off the keyboard backlight is always recommended, especially if your laptop's battery is draining too fast. You should ideally make use of your keyboard backlight in a dark lit room or while you are gaming. During instances when the keyboard is anyway legible, there's no point keeping the keyboard backlight on as it obviously feeds on your laptop battery. The keyboard backlight can easily be turned off by locating the relevant function button on the keyboard itself or from the settings menu. Adjust laptop power settings. There are chances that new software or app has tweaked the power settings of your laptop, which has resulted in excess battery drainage. This issue can easily be taken care of by following these steps. Go to Settings, System Power, and Sleep. Adjust the settings for sleep and screen time. Make sure that your laptop power plan is intended for conserving the battery. You can also go to the Additional Power Settings menu and check the Optimized or Balanced Settings laptop power settings. Remove unwanted peripherals. If your laptop is connected to a number of external devices, there are chances that this could be the reason behind the excess battery drainage. To avoid this problem, simply disconnect any external peripheral that you don't really require, such as a USB drive, CD, DVD, Bluetooth speakers, TWS, wireless mouse, and more. All you need to do is to go to your system settings or click on the device icon on the taskbar and right-click on it to safely remove the device. As for the ones connected via Bluetooth, you can simply turn them off or turn the Bluetooth of your laptop off to disconnect all of them at once. End unnecessary background tasks programs. While you are operating your laptop and are working on a specific task/application, there might be a lot of unwanted programs and applications that are running in the background, thereby draining your laptop's precious battery without actually giving you anything in return. To fix this problem, you need to perform the following steps. Go to Settings, Privacy, Background Apps. Check the list of the apps that are running in the background and disable those which you don't really require. If you think that there are some apps, tasks which definitely need to work in the background, keep them up and running background tasks in laptop close unwanted processes. Much like the applications running in the background, your laptop might also be running a bunch of unwanted processes in the background, which might be hogging its battery. You can disable all these unwanted processes from the Task Manager. Here's how to do that. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del or Ctrl plus Shift plus SC to open the Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab. Select the process or application that you deem unnecessary and click on End Task Manager. Turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Whenever you don't require an active Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection, it is always advisable to turn both off, as an active Wi-Fi/Bluetooth connection is known to drain your laptop's battery way faster than otherwise. Plus, by disabling your Wi-Fi when not in need, you are saving data, increasing your productivity levels by getting rid of the pop-up notifications and potentially keeping your laptop safe from online threats. Update device drivers. Outdated device drivers can sometimes cause excessive battery drain. Ensure that all device drivers and the operating system are up to date. Check battery health. If the laptop is older, the battery health may have deteriorated. Some laptops have built-in diagnostics to check battery health. If the battery is degraded, it may need to be replaced. If you've tried these steps and are still experiencing rapid battery drain, there might be a hardware issue with the battery itself, and it might need replacement or further inspection by a professional technician.